Stop. Don't trade today until you see this analysis. Abuji 001 is here. Kindly let's break down the market and let's see what the market has for us. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever the time zone you are turning in from, you already know what we are doing in this platform. We already just analyze our daily analysis. We see what the market has for us, the opportunity the market created for us, and we took it. To all my subscribers, I really appreciate. To those of you, my video just pop up into your screen. Kindly wait. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to learn from the next video we are dropping. Kindly spare me up to an hour out of your time to watch this analysis before you start trading. To those of you that is choosing my signal, please kindly don't forget to use proper risk management. And to those of you to those of you that you are seeing that my analysis is what is good, please kindly don't forget to help your guy. I too need help. Seriously, I too need help. But no problem. This month I'm going to fund my account with $14. Seriously, and I'm going to push it. So let's see if this month is going to favor us. But I pray this month is going to favor us seriously. So let's quickly go into the chart and let's see what the chart has for us before we see the opportunity. Before you already know before we go into the chart, we see maybe there is a fundamental analysis, maybe there is news or there is no news. And you can see today is the last day of this June. So this June has favored us and it has guided us. So the next 6 months of this year is going to be our year definitely. So let's quickly go into the chart and see. You can see there's no high party news on you. We traded USD, Euro and pounds and GBP. You can see GBP. There's no high party news on both of them. So definitely, let's quickly go back into the chart and let's see what the chart has for us. And you already know we started from sliver. This is sliver. And this is what we are having on sliver. This is our swing high. You can see this is our swing high. And this is our swing low. This is our demand. And this is the last break of structure you can see. And this demand is having some key level, some higher key level, which is monthly and weekly in this demand. And after, if this demand does not hold, there's another what monthly key level here. There's another monthly key level here. So this is what we are seeing. You can see market is in between the swing high and the swing low, and you can see the downtrend. So definitely this I think this is our opportunity here. This is the opportunity yesterday. We are having FEG here. You can see the FEG we are having. This is the last break of structure market gave us on what on daily time frame. You can see the last break of structure market gave us on 3 time frame here. This is the last break of structure, and this is the FEG we have seen. And you can see market has not reached this demand, so definitely we are what we are still receiving. And let's move to 4 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame. This is 4 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame, and this is where we said we are selling the market seriously. This is where we said we are selling the market. I think this is the opportunity we saw yesterday. You can see this is the opportunity. And from 4 hour time frame, you can see what the market is doing for 4 hours. Let's start from the beginning. This is what we are seeing. This is the last break of structure, and there's where there's FEG over here. This is the daily time frame FEG, and it's in this what zone. And this is the another break of structure here. There's another key level here. So definitely, we took this opportunity as what as key level. You can see what we are having. This is exactly what we are having. So this when the market does not give the FEG we are seeing, and this is the 4 hours FEG market just gave us. You can see the 4 hours FEG market gave us. So we are expecting the market to come back here before we can say anything. So this is this is the opportunity. This is the opportunity we are seeing. So let's just be focused. This is the opportunity we are seeing. We are selling the market from here because it has FEG. And let's move to 1 hour time frame to redivide the opportunity. This is 1 hour time frame. This place has served as liquidity for me. On 4 hour time frame, we will see that it has served as liquidity yourself because it's the one that gave us this FEG. And this serve as liquidity for me. This is how as liquidity foreign market is going to sweat. So I think yesterday is the buy that we saw yesterday. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. From 1 hour time frame, we find this opportunity here, but on 4 hour time frame, it serves as FEG for us. So definitely you can see that market is what is coming back over there. Market is coming to that 4 hours FEG. And you can see this is the last break construction on 1 hour time frame. And this is another break construction. This is my liquidity swept here. And this is what market structure shift. This is the break construction. And this is the opportunity we saw yesterday. You can see market has triggered us in. This is the opportunity we saw yesterday. This is the opportunity we saw yesterday. That we are buying the market from here, and definitely the market will trigger us in. Let's see. It trigger us in today on Tuesday, and this is what we are having. You can see. So market is in uptrend. So we are this market is buying before we can sell the market first. So let's just be focused. Let's just be focused. I just want to redefine this opportunity very well. But the market, I did not place this market yesterday. I did not later place this market yesterday. For those of you that the market is that place the market, just believe that the market is going uptrend, so it's coming to this other block. So let's see if this other block of 1 hour is going to what is going to push it down. But let's move to 4 on, which is our 30-minute time frame, which is our analysis time frame. So this liquidity is going to sweat. So let's just be focused. This is what the market is doing. To read this market, this is what we are reading in the market. You can see on 1 hour time frame, this is the last break of structural market gave us. This is the last break of structural market gave us, and we are having this is the high. You can see this is the high. So we are having breaker block here. So this serve as breaker block, because you can see this is the break of structure here. This is the high here. You can see this is the high here. So this is the break of structure. So this serve as breaker block for me. So I'm still expecting the market to push up. So we am still this market is still buying. So let's move to 15 minutes if you can see opportunity on 15 minutes. Let's move to 15 minutes. This is 30 minutes time frame, which is our analysis time frame also. You can see market has mitigated this breaker block. So let's move to 15 minute time frame. You can see opportunity of 15 minute time frame. This is 15 minute time frame. This is what the market is giving us for 15 minute time frame. But on 15 minute time frame, instead of this other block may not respect because this may serve as change of character. So if this other block does not respect it, if this does not respect this other block, definitely is coming to this other on this breaker block. Definitely is coming to this or change of character. But I'm sure the market is going to respect this what breaker block, because it's just to feed this order. It is just to feed the up. So this is where the market is coming. So this is 1 hour. This candle just open. Let's move to 15 minute time frame. The next candle. So this other block is still valid. Seriously, this other block is still valid. This other block is still valid. So the next candle you can just take the next candle as opportunity, and this will serve as what 1:2. You can see this is 1:2. This serve as one ratio 2, and you can see the 1:2. So definitely the market is in uptrend. So this is what we are having. We are buying before we can sell. So let's see if this first FEG, this 4 hours FEG order block is going to push the market down, or if it does not respected, it definitely is coming to this daily FEG. So this is what we are having on sliver. So let's just be patient. Let's just be patient. So our entry on 4 hour time frame, this is where this is where our entry is. So on 4 hour time frame, this is where our entry is because this is where our FEG is. So our entry is here. So this is our entry if you want to set the market. And this is what we are having. I'm sorry, the market it's not rough. Oh. This is the opportunity we are seeing. This is the sell limit opportunity. You can see this is the sell limit opportunity. This buy is for buy of yesterday, but now the market is buying. You can just enter the market. The next candle you can just enter it and continue the buy. So this is what we are having. So let's move to gold. Let's see what gold has for us. From daily time frame on gold, this is what the market has for us on gold. You can see market does not respect this other block. But let's just read the market from daily time frame. This is market on daily time frame. These are demand. These are what? These are our swing high, and these are what? These are our swing low. This is what we are having, and this is the demand. The market has mitigated this demand. Only just what we just need. You can see what market is doing on this demand. So this is selling. This buy limits. We have to delete it. Let's just delete all the opportunity we see here before we can sell. We are buying again. We are selling again. So let's see this one for opportunity. So market has mitigated this demand zone, and this is the supply zone that gave us this breakup structure. But in this supply zone, we are seeing FEG here. You can see the FEG over here. There's FEG over there, which market has not mitigated. So let's move to 4 hour time frame to redefine this opportunity. This 4 hour time frame, this is the last breakup. You can see the last breakup, and this is demand zone, this is the supply zone, and this is the FEG we saw on what? On daily time frame. You can see the FEG we saw on daily time frame. And there is still imbalance here, you can see, but this market, this has already mitigated, this has already swept this imbalance, but this swept is not valid because it was already traded 50%. Let's see. It retraced 50%. No, 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 no. It retraced 50%. No, this is it. It does not retrace 50%. This is the last break also. This is the high. This is the lower high. This is the lower low. And market retraced and continued up. So market does not retrace 50%. So let's see what the market is doing. As for me, I'm still selling the market, but the market is in FEG. So if you want to take this, you can just say this order block. We can just say this as order block. So we can just say this as order block on daily time frame also. So this is also let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see define that for those order block. You see, you can see this is order block. So this market, we guys respected this market. This is what we are having. This is what we are. This is the other block we saw on what on daily time frame, and this is what we are having. On 4 hour time frame, you can see this 4 hour on daily time frame break of structure align with 4 hour time frame break of structure, and this is the supply, and this is the other block. In the other block is inside the supply. It's inside the supply. So supply is the one that's strong. This other block, may time other block does not other block fail. Why supply too, if supply fail, it has made change of character, and it have made reversal of the trend. So if other block fail, it has made maybe one just mitigated the supply or respected the supply. So this is other block we are seeing in daily time frame, and it's aligned with what 4 hour daily primary. So this is what we are seeing. As for me, this is where we are selling if you want to sell this market. If you want to sell this market, this is where we are selling the market. Seriously. If you want to sell this market, this is where we are selling the market inside this demand zone again. So let's see our entry. This is our entry now. And let's see our stop, our take profit. These are our take profit now. And let's see our stop trade. This is our stop trade now. So this is what I'm seeing. This is the sell I'm seeing on market. Seriously, this is the sell that market is. This is the sell I'm seeing. So let's move to 1 hour time frame to see what my 1 hour time frame is. You can see this 1 hour time frame. So definitely market is coming here before you can say what in don't trend. But let's just take this buy. So we have known that we are selling. This is the buy that is happening in the market. This is the buy that is happening in the market on 1 hour time frame, on 4 hour time frame. This is a liquidity swept. I'm seeing on 4 hour time frame. And this is a liquidity also. This is a liquidity also. We are having opportunity here because there's FET here, and we are having opportunity here. But let's focus on here. This is a liquidity swept on 4 hour time frame. You can see the liquidity swept, and let's move to 1 hour time frame to see how we can buy the market. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what we are seeing. After the liquidity swept, this is the break of structure. This is the high, but there's imbalance here. So this is what I'm saying. But I do not see the opportunity. There's weekly key, weekly key level here. So definitely market is coming to that weekly key level. Let's move to for on the 30-minute time frame. This is 30-minute time frame. This is all what we are having. This is market structure shift for me. This is market structure shift. This is market structure shift. And I'm having other block here. I'm having other block over here. So I'm buying the market from here. If you want to buy the market, this is where we are buying the market. Our stop loss will be below here. So we are buying the market into this zone again. Into this zone. This is the zone we are buying. This is the zone. Into this zone. You can see 1 ratio 3. We are buying the market into this zone. So let's just be focused. So this is our buy limit. This is our buy limit now. The market is buying. Let's just focus on this buy. So this is the opportunity. I'm saying let's see, let's our entry. These are our entry. Our take profit. And our stop trade. So these are our stop trade. We are having our stop trade. So we are buying the market because the market didn't buy. So we guys what? We guys be patient. So the market is buying. Let's move to 30-minute time frame to redefine the analysis, the opportunity. This is 30-minute time frame if you want to redefine. So we are buying from this key level. So we are buying from this key level. And let's move to 15-minute time frame. You can see we are buying. Let's see, we are buying from this key level. This is the key level we are buying the market. So Let's just be focused. You can see this is on 15-minute time frame set. We are having break of structure here. On 15-minute time frame, we are having break of structure here, and we are having break of structure over here too. So this is the high. This is the high. You can see this is the high that give us this low. So we are having no, this is not the break of structure set. It does not be a break of structure yet because it does not close with full body candle now. Let me use this horizontal line. You can see it does not close with full body candle yet. So definitely we do not have break of structure yet. So I'm having market structure shift here. On 15 time frame, I'm having market structure shift here. So this has not been closed with full body. There's opportunity here because there's what imbalance here. So this is where we are buying the market. So we are buying the market from here. We are buying the market from here. So this is where we are buying the market. So let's just be focused. Let's just be focused. And this is short. This is the opportunity. We are buying the market on gold also. So let's move to US 30. Let's see what US 30 has for us. This is US 30. This are I think this our buy is still what is still focused. So let's see what the market has for us. I don't know what happened to my network. Uh, my all my soul has finished. MTN. I want to plug my system. Sorry. So this is what we are having. This is our swing low. You can see this is our swing low now. This is our swing high now. This is the retracement. This is our swing high now. So you can see what the market is giving us. And this is a liquidity trade for me. And this is a liquidity trade for me. And these are previous swing high. And these are previous swing low. This is our demand. This is our next demand. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's reach what the market is doing on 4 hours. This is 4 hour time frame. After the liquidity trade, this is what I'm seeing. This is a liquidity swept market. You can see a liquidity, and we are having liquidity down also. This is a liquidity down also. So let's move to since we not see opportunity yet, let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what I'm seeing on 1 hour time frame. This is a market structure shift because this is a full body candle here also. It's closes with full body candle. This is a full body candle here. This is a market structure shift, and we are having opportunity here also. So let's just redefine this opportunity. So 15 minute 4 hour 4 hour 1 hour and 30 minutes is our analysis time frame. So let's move to 15 minutes and 30 minutes also to see what is happening on 30 minutes. This is 30 minutes. You can see when market give us what market structure shifts after liquidity swept. After liquidity swept, market give us, you can see market structure shift on 30 minutes and we are having FEG. So let's see if the market can respect this FEG before we can see control set, before we can see a continuation to downtrend. Sorry, before we can see a continuation to downtrend. Let's see if this FEG is still strong. So that market is still buying. So as for me, let's move to 15-minute time frame for entry. For those of you that like 15 minutes for entry, this is 15-minute time frame. This is the last break of structure, and you can see what the market is doing. You can see what the market is doing. So I would rather wait for this sell. So missing trade is better than losing trade. So this is the opportunity I'm seeing on analysis time frame. So I guess be patient on this analysis time frame. So the entry time frame, which is 15 minutes time frame, is not giving me what opportunity to take the trade. So definitely, I'll be waiting at this opportunity that is giving me the sell auto because there's FEG here. It's giving me the sell opportunity. So let's just be patient on this sell opportunity. If you can see the opportunity, we are taking the down. If market is still down, if market is still down because there's the liquidity here inside this FEG. You can see how the market mitigated this FEG. So let's just be patient. I'm still selling the market. This is our settlement. So let's move to let's move to GU. Let's see what GU is giving us. This is GU. From daily time frame, this is what the market is giving us. This is our swing high and this is our swing low. And I'm expecting the market to come to this was some monthly time frame key level. This is what we are having daily key level here. So this is what the market is doing. This will serve as liquidity sef, because market does not break it with market does not break this with what with the full body candle, just broken it with what with weak. So definitely liquidity is there, and we are having FEG on daily time frame. This is the FEG. This is the FEG we are having here. This is the FEG we are having there. So let's move to 4 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. If we said we should read this structure very well, this is the opportunity. This is the last break of structure, and this is the what? This is the supply. You can see this is the supply, and this is the supply, and we are having FEG here. And on 4 hour time frame, we are having break of structure also, but this break of structure does not retrace at 50. It does not retrace at 50%. Let's see if it retraces 50%. You can see it does not retrace at 50%. So this is a demand zone for our time frame. So let's just leave it as what? As demand. So this is what I'm having, and I'm still having break of structure here. Supply, sorry. This is a supply, so it's not a demand. Oh. Sorry. This is supply. And I'm still having what break of structure here. And this is the what? This is supply zone. This is a supply zone. And as for me, I'm still expecting the market to sell, demand to sell. So this is our entry. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's move to 1 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame also. This is 1 hour time frame, and you can see the opportunity 1 hour time frame is giving us. We are having FEG here. So we are having FEG here. So this sell is still valid. So the sell is still valid. Seriously, I'm still expecting sell on this opportunity. So if this market does not expect it, definitely, but I'm still expecting sell. Let's move to 30-minute time frame, which is our analysis time frame also. You can see what the market is doing. So this is what the market is doing. So this is what the market is doing. If market can come to this FEG, you can see this. If market can come to this FEG on 1 hour time frame, if market can come to this FEG on 1 hour time frame before we can see it sell. So the market is still selling. The market is still selling. So if you want to join this market, let's move to 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. This is what we are having on 15-minute time frame. This is market structure shifts. This is because structure, but we are having FEG up there. The FEG manual created for us. The FEG 1 hour created for this is the FEG here. So this is what I'm seeing inside this FEG. So let's see if the market is going to give us a sell. Let's see if the market is going to give us a sell. And our stop trade will be over above here. So the opportunity is giving us. So if you want to take this FEG, this is the entry. You can see this is our entry. This is our stop trade. And this is our take profit, sorry. And this is our stop trade. This is what we are having on GU. Let's move to EU. Let's see what we are having on EU also. This is what I'm seeing on EU. This is, you can see, this is our supply. This is the last break of structure from daily time frame. And this is our swing high. You can see this is our swing high. And this is our swing low here. So market has broken this swing low. You can see market has broken this swing low here. That's broken swing blue here. The swing over there comes has broken it. So this is the man. This is what key level. So this is monthly key level here. So let's say the market is coming to this monthly key level. So let's just read this structure. This is the supply. After this supply, we are having FEG here. This is the FEG we are having. This is the nice FEG we are having. So let's just read this structure. Let's see if the market is coming down. So this is the FEG market mitigate this FEG. So market mitigated this FEG here. This is the FEG market mitigated. So market is in this FEG. So let's just read this FEG. Let's see. Let's move to daily 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. So this is where the market is. This FEG. So let's see the market. Let's see the market. We can see a double top here. So let's just read the market. Let's see what the market is giving us on 4 hour time frame. So I'm not seeing any opportunity here on 4 hour time frame. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what the market is. You can say after market mitigated here. This is what the market is doing. After market mitigated this FPG. You can say inside this FPG we are having break of structure here. Market what? Market mitigated this FPG. Market gives us what? Market structure shift. This is the liquidity. So market give the market structure shift. Market came back to this place, give us what change of character here, but we are having FPG here also. So this is what the market is doing. This is what the market is doing here. I can see this opportunity is not what it's not that clear for me. But on daily time frame, we are expecting a downtrend seriously. But there's weekly key level here. There is weekly key level here. So market is on this key level. And this key level does not give us break of short as we say market is continuing the uptrend. So let's just see what the market. But if you see market broken it with full body candle, it will retest the key level before this weekly key level before continuing the downtrend. So on 1 hour time frame, this is what the market is giving us. This is what the market is giving us. Market is giving us buy on for double top here. You can see it has served this place has served as what? Resistance. Sorry. This place have served as a resistance, you can see, because this is a multiple rejection. This place has served as a resistance for me. It has served as a resistance. It has served as multiple rejection, seriously. It has served as multiple rejections, so let's just see what the market is trying to give us now. Let's move to 30-minute time frame. Let's see the opportunity it's giving us. Markets mitigate this FEG. This is the FEG market mitigated after. So let's just see what the market is trying to do. On 15-minute time frame, which is our entry, this is what the market is trying to do. Also, market mitigate this other block. So as for me, there's no opportunity here, but I'm seeing the market is going downtrend. But if market broken this resistance, it will retest and continue the uptrend. Seriously, that is all what I can see. All what I can see. This is all what I can see because this is what This is a break of structure here. And this is liquidity sweat here. Market mitigated here. So let's see. So let's just see maybe around maybe around 2 o'clock, market will have give us a structure, a perfect structure, so that we can just join the trend. So as for me, this is what I'm saying. So let's move to UJ. Let's see what UJ is having for the UJ is in uptrend. From daily time frame, UJ is in uptrend. This is what the UJ is giving us. You can see this is an uptrend market. This is the FEG. We are expecting the market to push up, and this is an FEG also. We are expecting the market to push up. So this is the FEG we are expecting the market to move. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. The reason why I not plotted a swing high because we have not seen our swing high yet. So market is still going up. You can see market is still going up. We have not seen our swing high yet, but we have seen our swing though is one that gave us break of structure. So the swing high we have not seen it yet. So we got to be patient. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is the FEG daily time frame gave us. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what the market is giving us for 4 hour time frame. This is what the market is giving us for 4 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure of 4 hour time frame. You can see this is the break of structure. This is all what we are having. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what we are having on other. This is 1 hour time frame. This is all what we are having on 1 hour time frame. And this our opportunity yesterday was market will trigger us out and continue the uptrend. You can see after market trigger us out, continue the uptrend. So let's move. I think 4 hour time I'm seeing FEG on 4 hour time frame. This is FEG I'm seeing on 4 hour time frame. This is the next step of FEG I'm seeing on 4 hour time frame. So let's see if this FEG is going to respect it. So this is the opportunity I'm seeing on 4 hour time frame, and I'm buying from here. So this is what the market is giving us. So market has been dropping a week, sir. You can see market has been dropping week. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. Only just you can see this 1 hour time frame is giving us break of structure here. So this is what I'm seeing. Let's move to 30-minute time frame to redefine the opportunities. So this is 30-minute time frame. This is what I'm seeing. Market is just giving us liquidity of all this week are liquidity. It's just giving us liquidity up. So there is this an FEG, this is an imbalance. So let's be patient. If the market can come back here before we can see the option. Let's move to 15-minute time frame for entry. If we can really see the entry to redefine, this is 15-minute time frame. So let's just be focused on this opportunity. This is the opportunity we are seeing, and let's just be focused. Let's just be focused. So let's move to GJ. Let's see what GJ is having for us. This is GJ. From daily time frame, this is our swing goal, and all this what market is just created liquidity. You can see. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is the outbreak of social market got change of character, and it give us. This is what the market giving us. It's giving us it's giving us what break of structure here, and market is giving us change of character here. But there's what this is supply. This is the supply I'm expecting the market. I'm expecting the market to come to this other block yesterday, but market does not trigger us in, so this opportunity is not one useful. So let's be waiting for the market. The market can mitigate this supply before we can see a downtrend, because market has mitigated here. So let's be expecting this player has turned to resistance. You can see this is a liquidity sweep. This player has turned to resistance. So this is the what this is supply that give us this change of character. Market mitigate this supply, give us break of structure. So this is the next supply. Since this supply has given us break of structure, definitely we are selling the market from this supply also. So let's just we are selling from this supply. So to the nearest key level, this is the key level is top the market, and this is the nearest key level we are selling. This is the nearest key level because we are having FEG over there. You can see this is the nearest key level. So let's just see our entry. This is our entry. So this is what we're having. Our entry, this is our entry. Okay. Okay. Our take profits. While our stop trade. So this is what we're having. We are selling the market. This is where we are selling the markets. For 4 hours time frame, we are selling the markets because this is the last higher high. This is the lower. This is what? This is the lower high, and this is the lower high again. So market is coming here. So we are selling the markets. Yeah. So for those of you that's using trend line, I don't use trend line. So we are selling the market. So this is where you are selling. Let's move to 1 hour time frame to define the opportunity. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what we are seeing on 1 hour time frame. So let's just be expecting the market to trigger our scene. You can see there's FEG here. So all these